Welcome to the CSLearn. Now we are going to discuss about the Python numbers. So the Python treat numbers very well. Okay, you can use numbers in Python directly in the cell. Okay, so this is a Jupyter notebook. In this Jupyter notebook, it's very convenient to use. Okay, so it has a lot of features. Okay, we will discuss later one by one. Don't worry about it. Okay, here go to the help and you can see the keyboard shortcut. Okay, so in the learn this keyboard shortcut. This is very helps to use this Jupyter notebook very effectively. Okay, so if you want to run the cell, you just type control enter. So once you enter it, it run the cell. If you want to run the cell and insert new cell below the current cell, alt enter. If you press alt enter, it will insert new cell with it. So the Python, it's handle numbers very effective way. Okay, so you just type a number and it will return to you the same number. So you entered, I'm entering the number 5 and press alt enter, I will return the number 5. The Python handle the operators very effective way. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, these are all the operators are very well works here. You could use this is as a simple calculator even. Okay, for example 2 plus 2. Okay, alt enter. 4, right? 50 minus 5, 45. So this is a 1. And 50 minus 5 times 6. Okay, 20. So it is the Python, it is very well. You could write the same command in by using parentheses. Okay, so the same result. So you know the rules. Okay, division and multiplication need to execute first, after then addition and subtraction will be executed second. So and 8 divided by 5 result. So whenever you are going to divide the number, it gives you the float result. You see 8 divided by 4, it also gives you the float value. So if you don't want a float result, you have to use um, here. So the float divided, the float division discards the fraction part. Okay, so it is actually the result is 4.25, but if you are going to use a float division, it discard the fraction part of the given result. And next it gives you the reminder. Okay, the percentage operator returned the reminder of the division. Okay, and for double multiplication simple, and it gives you the four squares the value. Okay, here you are going to use, so it means that 4 to the power of 4, 4 to the power of 4. So you can use any value here. Okay, it will gives you any size of the value. Okay, and now equal sign. So The equal sign, it's actually assign the value to the given okay. So right now I'm going to assign the value 20 to the width, okay, and height equal to the 40. So the equal operator assign to the given the equal operator assign the value to the given the equal operator assign the given value to the variable name. So here the Python, you no need to assign the data type of given variable name. So it is assign, it is automatically identified the data type of your given value. Okay, so we will discuss about it later in the coming videos. But you no need to assign, you no need to define your data type before you have to create the variable name. So directly you can create the variable name and to assign the value with it without assigning the data type of given variable name. Okay, so right now I'm going to enter n. So it gives me the error, which means that the name yan is not defined. So if I'm not defining any variable name, okay, it is gives me the error like that. So it is meaningful, the sense of the interpreter. Next, next, right. So right now the answer is this. Okay, I am going to assign the float value to the tags and the price equal to 100.5 the price times tax. But right now here I'm going to use price plus underscore operator. So in this time this underscore operator the in the interactive mode, the underscore operator take the last printing expression in a assignment to the variable. Okay, for example, um, 400 times 400. Okay, so this is a last printing expression. So this is a result. Now I'm going to execute the underscore operator. So this is it. So the underscore operator, so this is take the value which the expression is execute in a last, which expression is executed in a last moment. So this capability is very useful for calculator. Okay, in a calculator, so it take the value previous expression result of your current execution. So we will going to discuss about it later in the coming videos very deeply. So right now we have discussed the numbers. So we could use numbers as well as just like a calculator. This is a very special feature of Python. In the coming videos we will going to deeply discuss in a coming topics. Thank you. Please subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye. So this is